Welcome back to another video of Tsunami 67. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the top 5 best pets to begin, for starters, and just early game pets that will benefit you a ton. Now this applies for every player, and even players that maybe are more into the game, maybe already further in, will still look at this video and probably find it helpful. So without further ado, let's just get started. Now, being a beginner, you aren't able to access every place. It's quite difficult to get a lot of magic coins, and in general, you just don't have the experience in Prodigy and don't exactly know what pets to catch. So this is what I'm gonna tell you on which pets to actually get. So at number 5, coming in are the Neeks. The Neeks are very, very underrated. Now, this is coming from a player that in the past hated Neeks because of how ugly they look, but it does not matter. The Neeks have alright stats, and the one thing that matters here is they have Chain Lightning. We don't even need to care about these spells, although Barrage could be kinda good, I guess. But Chain Lightning can deal a punch. It can pack a punch. Now this thing, for you can catch this guy for free, no magic coins required, or for even easier method, you could just buy him for little to nothing. You can buy him for no, the currencies that are not worth much, and this is it'll get you a pet that will last you a long time. The Neeks, they're all basically identical, and they have the good thing that they have in common is just the 5-hit spell. It's amazing. This pet is just such a free win here for any beginners. Now coming at number 4 is Cloaker. Now Cloaker, it's basically a slightly better Neek with just better spells. Like Brawl is a better spell, and you have these, and they're slightly better than what the Neeks would have, and the health stat is higher than the speed and defense, which is, I would say it's pretty good. Slightly better than Neeks, although they are a little bit harder to get. You can rescue them in most places here, as you can see. The Cloaker, the Shade is the same thing applies for that one. This is just the plant version. I'm not counting variations. The variations just count as 1 in this. Overall, the Cloaker is just, it's a pretty, if you find this guy, it's a must-have pet. Pairing up with a Neek, oh, you're unstoppable. These 5-hit spells are just too good. You know what's better than catching a pet? Just getting that pet automatically, and that's why at number 3 is Cuddlefin. Now Cuddlefin, as you know, you get Mermina first, and that's already good. Now the thing about Cuddlefin is the spells. These are great spells right here. You have Thump for extra, and even Bubble Volley if you ever need the AoE. Now, what's good about this guy is he also has pretty decent stats. I know defense is trash, but health is the second highest stat here. Pretty good along with defense. Defense, yeah, it'll prevent you from taking some more damage, but again, it's not that great. And you begin with already Mermina if you choose Mermina. I know that these spells are, Mermina is already a good pet. But if you decide to evolve him for just a small price of 30 magic coins, you get a pet that you'll probably use for the rest of your life. Now, Aquamarina is pretty good, but I argue that Cuddlefin is actually better than Aquamarina, and that's what makes this guy so good in the early game, because of how easy it is to get and how long it'll actually be good for. Now, in number 2 is a pretty, related contender to the last 2, not last 2, the 4th option. It's Arbite. Now, Arbite, as you know, it's the evolution of Cloaker. Now this applies to the plant one as well. I'm just using this as an example. Now Arbite is arguably one of the best pets in the game, contending with the creators. Now, he might even be better than the creators, having a arguably better AoE, and this instead of the multiple. Now, what he does have is Skyrend, And if you get Cloaker, you can get this dude for only around 20 magic coins. That is the absolute steal right there. You should be getting this guy every single time. Like, the only down factor for this is that Cloakers are not too common, but like, really, the Skyrend for only 20 magic coins, that's a steal. Every beginner should be getting this. Now, finally, you probably expected this, but it's the collars. Now, the reason why the collars are so good is because of several reasons. Now, one, it's basically the same thing as shade. You have these things, like, it's not shade, what am I saying? Arbite. Now, yeah, these are basically the same things, but the thing with the collars is that they're so much easier to get. These things you can find basically everywhere, and these Neeks too as well. And not merging. What am I doing? The evolution price is only 25, so it's the same thing, and you basically get a pet of the same stats, around the same stats. It still has its health as the second highest. And say basically the same spells. Now, what makes this number one is just because of how easy it is to get. It's so common everywhere that you could just buy this guy in the pet center. Same thing. Buy the de-evolved version. I sneak or this dude. Buy him and then just evolve him. It's that simple for just 25 what did I say, emeralds? Just for 25 magic coins. You can get one of the best pets in the game. It's basically the same as just creators. So as a conclusion, let's just test these dudes out. Not that guy though. I'm gonna be using Neeks, and the reason why is because a lot of people are probably underestimating the Neeks. They don't deserve this underestimating. The Neeks deserve to be recognized as one of the best, you know, beginner pets in the game, although they've been frowned upon for centuries. What I actually mean is people don't like the Neeks. I didn't. They weren't a fan favorite pet for quite a while, but now I guess they should be. They should be recognized more because they are actually some of the best early game pets. So, this is gonna be a shred. This is gonna be a shred. Oh, actually, never mind. This guy's powerful against me, but if we have more speed than them, it'll be a pretty good shred here. Yeah, I think we're winning. Okay. Oh no, he goes first? How do you have so much health and still have more speed? Alright, I guess he deserved that. I'm not sure. Okay, but you guys already know what Skyrend is. It's you know, it's that. It can just shred everything. Anything. I mean, it's what you expect. Now this guy's E3, since I already used the rest of those collars and ice things to make the absolute ice creator side. This guy's not as high as my Arbite and merge level, but it'll still do damage. Alright, and yeah, I mean, yeah, use Fireball on me, it still doesn't kill me. Now, this Ice Sneak has Fracture, and this is the physical version of the ice thing. And I argue that it's better. Because it can do that. Now, all of the Neeks have the 5-hit spell. Some of the, as you know, they have slightly more variety now. Like the ice one's not always gonna be the ice thing. Oh, how did it okay. But I would argue the physical one's even better, which is a good thing. Oh my god, why am I so dumb? I was just busy yapping and I didn't even look at the question. What was that? Okay, I guess that works in our favor. But anyway, you get what I was saying. The Neeks are arguably better with the physical one, although not all of them have the physical one, so you still have to look into that, of which ones have which spell. But, you know, you still have the Ice Sliver. It'll probably finish him. Yeah, okay. So with that, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope this video helped all the beginners out there looking for some pets that they can use. Now, keep in mind this does kind of get affected by the thing, but you know, all beginner pets will. And you know, eventually you'll move out of those pets. Go watch my other video for like top 10 all-time pets. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, and see you in the next one.